Alright, before I get in someone's pot. Whoa. This is a cool little spot here. Oh wait, there's more? More chain. Oh.
Is a picture of the condor?
Yeah, he's ugly, but
yeah.
In a nature way, he's beautiful.
Yeah.
All right. He does look like a Muppet. Jim Henson was inspired by him. In the Dark Crystal. Yeah. Pardon me, guys. Yeah.
He's huge.
Well, I knew the Condor show was today.
Yeah.
Do we want to mess around or go up, mess around on the way back? Okay. Okay, I'm with you, Joseph. More chain. All right, remember, Mark, your life is more important than the camera. It's actually not that bad. It's just really more, I think the chain kind of messes me up. Like, it's like, why is the chain here? Like if I was... All right, let's go. So I get to see everybody mad at me for holding them down. It was a collective push. We all joined together. Run? What the hell? It's not cool. Not cool to us. Okay. Sorry. But they should appreciate it. Take time to appreciate it. Like I'm doing right now with my heart rate. It'll be interesting to see what my heart rate was during this time. Oh shit, I didn't start it.
Start what?
The thing.
GoPro?
No. Time.
Oh.
Is it? Hold on. Yeah. Oh wow, it started on its own. Oh wait, no, it's paused.
Alright. We literally have
Okay. Well, take it slow, take it easy. There's no reason to rush to your death.
I don't want to get pushed off because you're supposed to step up.
How's it going? Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
There you go. Wherever you want to cross.
Keep coming.
Oh, you don't have the chain. I'm sorry.
No, oh no, it's all good. I don't know what to do here though.
He's trying to complete it without a chain.
Oh.
I'm definitely not.
Yeah. I admire you, but
Are you recording on both?
yeah.
Oh, well, hello and hello.
I'll say I knew you win. Yeah, hey, how's it going, man? Are you doing it without a chain either? Is that your goal?
No, I use the chains what I do.
Yeah. They almost like make me more like insecure about it, you know? It's almost like if what chain wasn't here, I'd be able. Thanks. Yeah. Appreciate it, guys.
Hey, what's up? What's up, camera?
Oh, nothing. Just to prove I did it. Whew. All right, we're without chain right now. Whew. Now, you don't want to make this mistake and be on the opposite side of the chain.
Nope. That is correct.
Whew. Chain. How are we looking for crowds behind us? I don't like it because like the people behind us look a little too comfortable. They're not really. Yeah. Whew. Some scary. We got quite a bit of wind up here, but not bad. Beautiful day. There's like nowhere I can stand where I feel comfortable not taking my eyes off the ground. All right. Last little bit. Oh yeah. Okay, this part's without chain. Kind of does. Well, these two rock walls kind of do a good job. Oh, a nice little cross breeze. Oh yeah. Whew. Fuck this chain. Yeah. Do you want to come down? Trying, wow, look how sure-footed you are. No, I'm impressed. Or inspired, one of the two. Yeah. All right.
I usually give uphill people right away, but this is a weird.
Yeah, no, we I think he hooked us up. But let us go at 9:30. Indy, the right tunnel. I don't look. This is a scary part. Are y'all coming down? You want to come down? I don't know where I'm comfortable at.
On the ground.
Yeah.
Or I guess technically we're on the ground.
Are y'all not even, y'all just comfortable, huh?
Yeah.
No, but I meant like with it, like y'all feel, I don't know. I don't know where I got this fear of heights from, but it's there.
Thank you.
Yeah, no.
They say it's one of the only fears that you're born with.
Really?
Really?
Fear of heights, yeah.
Ah, no.
Blame it on my parents.
It's your mom's fault, yeah.
How are we looking, Dewey?
People coming down.
Yeah. No? I don't want to do that dance. And if y'all rather go forward, if y'all are gonna be faster than us, or okay. It's definitely not a place for cameras. Yeah, does it look better than the
Looks better than in the
water pants?
yes it does.
Well, it'll be a oh yeah, here we go. Nice. I actually thought this was actually a lot longer than I thought it'd be.
Right through. Well, that's not bad at all.
Remember, Joseph, if I fall, I throw you my camera.